The headlines: Government will ensure supply of branded uniforms, belts and shoes to state security forces, says CM Biren. CM Mandarin acts swift after seeing exclusive news story of cyclist murder son aired by Tom TV News. Treatment begins at Jennings. Veterinary Animal Husbandry Director appeals beneficiaries to avail of benefits under all central sponsored schemes. And SSA and Ramsar teachers log ZEO offices over various demands. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh today said uniform of the state security forces will be brought from branded companies through the process of open tender. He stated this while participating in the passing out parade of the 47th batch of Civil Police Constables male at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai in Imphal East District. In all, 2,471 police constables passed out from the college today. The Chief Minister was citing a recent case wherein supplying of substandard belts to all the personnel serving in Manipur Police Department was detected. He assured that the present government would never allow anybody to indulge in such irregularity in future. Biren said he has discussed with the DGP to supply branded uniform, belts and shoes by inviting bids from reputed firms through open tender. He said that there should be no political interference of any form in the activities of security forces.
Aduk Malaiwa ki seva tawgadaba singda manda hungangda chatlaga ahing tumda sadana tawgadaba nakoi ki set kadaba dress nakoi ki phagadaba belt nakoi na tongadaba khongo tongba yadaba khutna segai me yaba factory supply toromba uniform supply toromba do amok hana koi ki matam se di madu uholaro ya bis manoida assurance hobe Police ki khongu tongna na supply to matamda supply du na tongba yada dana atopa noi ki lanai tangro torok ki lei ha bise ai amamang ki kaya di tai amok hana madu ta holoroi aduna khoi ji ai na kaiga respected DG ko wali sabani ai khoi open tender to wi aduka branded company de ki polo na koi ta pigani sinda manda Tinghang marakta, Kathai marakta, Jungle da, Satliba Singh ki care to the Kanaki care to Gabno. Sugumba Kota corruption, Horka, the Kamana, discipline labor Samadam Semangani, Ramai of like discipline labor force of Putokumani. And I started announcing I assure you, Adugumba Kotama, among the Koloi, Aduka Karikuma Kanagumana, Aduguma Yauraba, anytime. I Minister of Office ki selda DGP ki da direct na koi call ro ka na adu report phangba matam lai koi da information pe bi ro adu madu gumba.
Stating that security forces are known to be disciplined institutions, the Chief Minister observed the politics should always be kept away from uniformed security forces so that they may perform duties in a fair manner. He said that soon after the new government came to power, pending results of different batches of Manipur Rifles and Manipur Police had been declared, understanding the prolonged woes faced by the candidates and their parents. Now recruitment for 2 fresh battalions of IRB is also going on. He said, adding that the state government is putting in best possible effort to recruit these 2 batches in a transparent manner without any favoritism and corruption. It is known to everybody that erring personnel found involved in an irregularity in the physical efficiency test of the said recruitment had been immediately put under suspension, he said. He said that all the police personnel who were passing out today would be posted at different districts and units for maintaining law and order and protecting life and property of the public. All the personnel should discharge their duty with sympathy, understanding, courtesy, firmness and above all with justice, the Chief Minister said. Biren Singh assured that no personnel or officer would be victimized in the matters of transfer and posting and promotion. He also urged all the personnel not to seek ministers, MLAs or influential persons help to get posted in comfortable areas. MPTC Director R.K. Tutusana administered oath to the newly recruited constables and presented report of the training batch. Soon after his arrival, the Chief Minister reviewed the Guard of Honor and received salute of an impressive march past presented by the passing out personnel who were separated into 12 companies.
Politician am solid. Solid. No solid. Politician may have said. Aduna discipline force ma line of discipline labor society line of Nakoigi support yam the sunny. Nakoina Horen Handraga, Nanami came the MLA sing of the coming Untare, I the correspondent Lahalo, I fight Hamona, one on the Ruba, MLA single on the Lani. Sida, I give me, it is my dog, my dog. I do it, I'm not a woman. I don't know what you do, what's up for the Julia. Was it was up for the Madame the Patu people to the Kalam the Yarabani. Karai the Sanu have a Karai that I have a koi Yagani.
Carrying further, a report by Tom TV, the advisor to Chief Minister of Manipur, Dr. R.K. Rajan, Medical Superintendent of Jenims, along with doctors have brought blind wife and son of Wan Lashram Basant to Jenims, where their treatment has begun. Tom TV had earlier reported on the literally hopeless lives of the mother-son duo hailing from Chairen Lengang. The step has been taken on the advice of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. After CM Biren advised for providing immediate medical treatment to the mother duo, a team comprising of N. Rajendra, Dr. R.K. Rajan of Manipur BJP, Jenims Medical Superintendent Professor L. Ranbir and some doctors today visited the home of Basant. The team later brought the mother-son duo to the hospital. N. Rajendra expressed happiness to the Tom TV for carrying the news story. He also said a house will be built for the poor family after consulting the concerned Deputy Commissioner.
Moy ani makse disfal haibadi akoi mamit udrabanina miyang mimana draba haibadu oirabanina makoi ani koi katse khudakta dumak ngasi netra du hayeng mai koi katse pirani aduna kana gadaru se thama da lising amang sanga lising sama makoi ani fangani semisti si lupa lak ani ki kasima akoi ngasi 2-3 days sida pirani madugi manung dagini akoi na layang ba hodori se koi bisempu DC akoi tanar kanda magi makhada kari tobiya bage haibadu yenga kanda thengabda koi Magi anabisi kitang priority pige 10 to 15 days size da koi magi yumsima koi district administration gi makha gi sugoi soina yumsima koi sahalani haibse simaga ai mayam da thamjage.
Rajendra, flanked by Pradhan of the area, extended monetary help to the family.
Simana built ore idea the minor story si am shocking oine si khalu da laita ba khota ba da magi irak padu da adagi magi kainosina ibungo na lirak ko wari se magi ibe masiki nupa sin lirak ko wari masa nupa na lirak ko wari si tar kan da people sing si am nungai tre Tom TV da tawjaraga koi lak kodinga si praja miyam ga theknaraga koi anaba si phar tawrasu koi na doctor da pukhalaga magi yengpham thok padu yengaga yaringe thuna pharana ba koda bigani haidana koi gi doctor na su phongdok pire.
Professor L. Ranbir assured that free medical treatment will be given to the mother duo at Jenims, which will make its best efforts to bring back their sights.
Anabani se pujarani puraga khutakta yengba yananaba honanaba mitsu ai Dr. Victor aina ai amnuksiba super speed mai akogi kanone ai gini ma yeng ma lairamani ma ngaidan lairamani aduga medicine gi atei dei su moi ai haraga moi yengalani yengalaga khutakta gi anaba yengba honanaba ai tayari tawjaragani.
Basant expressed gratitude to CM Biren for his kindness shown to his family. He was very thankful to the Chief Minister.
Nahandagi kanjaru budong asidi si Minister Biren gi tingbang dagi ngasi mana mi mayam bu thabirakta na ngasagi ai gi damak iteng pangbi bu se ai hainang ai leitana thakasai aduga punsida su kaujaro mayam bu su kaujaro adagi JPS gi laiba member pradhan ai gi damak nuksidana lakpiriba media singsu aina thagasari thagasaba phongdoksari aina.
Medical treatment to Thoibi and his son Roshan has started in the eye ward of Janims under the supervision of the medical superintendent. The people of Chairen Lengang village were seen hailing the Chief Minister for his kind act. Manipur Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department Director Dr. H. Chauba today called upon the farmers of the state to avail all central sponsored schemes which are provided in the form of loans for bringing about development in rural areas. Dr. Chauba was exclusively talking to Tom TV. He explained that there are 3 schemes for rearing cow, pig and duck. He said under the schemes 50% subsidies are given to farmers from below poverty line, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, while the loan has to bear the 10% and the 40% should be repaid. Dr. Chauba said that a farmer can get rupees 7 lakhs for rearing 7 cows and there will be no need for repayment of rupees 3.5 lakh from the said amount. He said a farmer can avail a loan amount of rupees 6 lakhs.
Even double the light na triple time 4 times masigi sector sida koina focus tawba kana dum farmers sing income se koidum hengal an mangangani ana masi ma lejare da handaki masidi sai loan sida moi sanction tawrani se bank sida koina project se saraga pirani aduga bank na moigi nomi matungina first installment nama moi pirani first installment du da set sabagi ke do bagi khara moi pirani construction ke gi lor matung da moina project ki component sing matungina ok leina na bagi masinjak leina na bagi tongan pa hidak lang thak installment tu moina ani moina.
He further informed that a total amount of rupees 2.51 crore has been released for the current year by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Dr. Chauba also informed that the same amount has been put in the account of NABARD.
Masih Maryland Department is somkan so honazari being sing type togzari. Da hojiksi masih ke iroina na aina panjaning basi Manipur da sanggong ipotoksi yam watli. Koi demand ga supply ga gap si yam saw na lay. Ada koi na sarang na more than 200,000 tons darkar lay da koi da hoji puto isi 82,000 tons mo para enam da putok pani. The gap si demand supply gap si yam lay wasi na sanggom si pangda na koi gi Manipur Milk Producers Cooperative Union ga koi gi department benai department ka keno tawraga koina salajari pa central dairy plant porom patsi masidagi koina pasteurize torga supply toribo mill si sangom si greater Imphal area si phobo koi thungbangam de private player ke private sector dagi putor posumi.
The protest by SSA in Ramsa teachers over their various demands continued unabated across the state. A large number of teachers staged sit-in protest at Imphal West ZEO Zone 1 at Khoyathong today. One of the protesting teachers, Lakshmi Pyari, said that the teachers of SSA and Ramsa have been working all this time without pay, thinking about the students. She felt that they may not be able to continue it for a long time without pay.
RMSA 2011 की बेस्ट खन की बने अखोई से हाँ प्राइवेट स्कूल तो पूरा में तो लोग याम दबा रेगुलर एरम में को अदो होजी खोई ना गवर्नमेंट की थबक ने ना कोई सो रेगुलर ने ना खल्लोरे दगा खल्ले न खoi harau harau changjare se sida hek khanbadagi ngasi bora tolop se khoi hek han ba khanbada khoi tha taram thoi tolop phangi deba p sem to regular hen view khoi je regular ne na khangi bani promotion line se bana pbu na khoi haijar like se dum ta dum lak pane ba sum government na khoi yani ha ga sum response pb ra khoi sum thema thamai ta sum la ba khoi khang ba ngam bagi pangkhai do hengal e khoi hujikti yum da su ichai sum yam like tam bani acha po chan thana yam honari bani adu mata da khoi brain se loi thamdu khraga like ta ban je khoi di concentrate to takjage like takjage na changa pani takjabane ba da upai le raktare khoi hujikti tolop.
In Ukhrul, SSA and Ramsar teachers locked the ZEO Ukhrul office in protest. Meanwhile, the joint SSA and Ramsar Teachers Association of Kangpokpi has notified that the cease work strike by the association is still continuing and the closure of the ZEO Kangpokpi as well as D-Cycle will go on until our demands for the state cadre absorption, payment of all pending salaries and arrangement for avenue of promotion are met. It was informed through a press release. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned. Manipur ihan hangoin handukzaba Green Can Industries masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services yamna pending our entrepreneurs in Green Can Industries that depend over yani
we trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best. We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum samutang lenshin birakuna akupa maro dikamasta tanabiu aikhoigi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw logi. Ngasi lengchin biroksi mobile furniture Kwa Capital near Infal Products.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba public relationship executive post ki miyoi amamam lawjagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address lamjingba group Rims Road Infal phone number at 131944063.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back. General Secretary of United Development Committee, Kairao Constituency, Asim Robin condemned the concerned authorities for allowing contractors to build 3 bridges at Kairao Kendra under PMGSY, which have recorded minus rate work. Speaking during a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Asim Robin urged that the contract should be given to the agencies which maintain quality work. He claimed that the construction work of the 3 bridges, Yaibithong, Iraimathong and Urup Muslim Salanthong of Kairao constituency was incorporated in the work program of 2015-16.
Matungina requotation poseki mon dangmarina minus ta tharakwa any agency khudimangna quality maintain tongna subanga moido pot khudimokse khoi da back to biro khoi gidi 6 Kairao Kendra khoi honorable MLA Kairao Kendra gi manung jana leiriba any thabak khudimok da quality maintain tongna subanga ngataba any agency mana koi thika da amna changa akhoi thabukche mapung phana phajana quality maintain tongna subiu haiba wafam che akhoi 6 Kairao Kendra United Development Committee gi secretary mo aina miyamda sigi pawjin pijaningi.
A one-day sensitization cum interaction program on different schemes for small-scale farmers in Manipur was held today at Hotel Classic in North AOC. The program was organized by Manipur's Small Farmers Agri-Businesses Consortium. Project coordinator of the consortium, MS Khaidem, launched 4 different schemes, namely Venture Scheme for Agriculture Business Development, Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme, Equity Grant and Project Development Facility Scheme. Speaking at the discussion as President MS Khaidem said, Manipur's Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium has conducted the program to give the farmers an insight on various schemes which are being taken up by the government. He added that it is an initiative which aims to help those farmers who are sponsored by the state government through Farmers Producer Company to be able to sell their products in profitable amount.
Farmers Producers Company kun sigi manung da tara manga husi bawda present tawi maruina masdida kana ba pi basi Farmers Producer Company da di government India gi oina Farmer Producer Company sing asi state sing da semkol laga farmers sing da pangal pibi ba amasung government na kari mokhoi da pibi ya ba financial support sing pirega moina puthok sari ba posting adu putholaga afaba mamanda ngoni yonjaba ngamnanabagi pandamda changsalakpani hoji si aikoina maruina scheme mari kha implement tawjari tawriba scheme asi bank khusam naraga sakadaba ngaktani maramadu idamukta ne khoina bank sing asu kaujari sisu ngasi laliba bank asi aikoi state bank of India gi nabad ki Axis bank ki amadi aisa gi bank sing aikoi nabaton tawjabani moi sing asi lengbirang le adubu Manipur rural bank ki di mo achin ba ma leibadagi lakhidre bioresource.
As part of the security measures being taken up by Imphal West District Police to avert any untoward incidents in the city, a team of Imphal West Commando Bazaar Unit under the supervision of Additional SP Operation T.H. Krishna Tombi today conducted a cordoned and search operation at Sagolban, Wahengbam Lekai, Maharani Bridge and Jiri Parking, which are under the jurisdiction of City Police Station from 8:07 a.m. and continued till 8:45 a.m. A total of 352 persons were verified, out of which 23 persons who failed to produce proper ID proofs were handed over to City Police for further verification. A team of AR on duty at Khudenthambi checkpost arrested 2 persons along with WY tablets which worth around rupees 18.55 crores from a red-colored Tata SUV bearing registration number AS01AZ1722 at around 5:30 last evening. The arrested persons have been identified as Angam Jonathan, aged 36, from Maichamun village of Churachandpur district, and Jamtin Shei Tauthang, aged 29, from Zalin 5 Part 3 of More Ward number 3. It is worth mentioning that Assam Rifle seized rupees 22 crore worth narcotics and abusive substances which were brought from the border country Myanmar in different incidents since last month. One person died when a Centro car he was driving met with an accident at the spot located between Tinungai and Ningthokhong of Bishnupur district last morning at around 6. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur Private Satellite Television Channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner rupees 1 lakh, first runners-up rupees 80,000, second runners-up rupees 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi sebada leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer. Standard rate ₹25 per kilometer. Luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com. Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamnariba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloy amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongba da changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemogi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamal da fangbiragani. Loinana order su luxury. Lengsin biro ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Welcome back. In a tragic incident, 2 Surya Kiran aircraft crashed on Tuesday following a mid-air collision, leaving an Indian Air Force pilot dead. The incident occurred while rehearsing near the Yelahanka Air Base at Bengaluru in Karnataka, where an Aero India 2019 air shows begins tomorrow. 2 Hawk aircraft of IAF's Surya Kiran aerobatic team crashed at 11:50 am while practicing for the Air Show 2019. As per an IAF statement, 2 pilots ejected safely and were rushed to a military hospital. However, the 3rd pilot sustained fatal injuries. The crash took place on the outskirts of the air base in an open field near to a residential area. The statement added that damage to life and property in the wake of the tragic incident was being ascertained. The NSCN-IM has accused the Kukis of inciting communal violence in the 1990s by targeting innocent Naga civilians. It claimed in a statement that the Naga-Kuki conflict of 1992-1997 is simply a repeat of history started by the Kukis under the banner of Kuki outfits like KNO, KNA, KDF and CKRF. Now for the time of newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, drove into February 10 Quiraman crackdown demanded. 2 masterminds of Kashmir bombing killed in clash. India. Delhi High Court dismisses B1's plea. Inmate found hung to death. Imphal Free Press. Class 12 examination commences. Council faces teacher shortage due to strike. Anti-NDA political parties need cooperation to protect Manipur from CAPE. Installation of CCTV camera at foreigners checkposts. Reform necessary. 350 villages under BADP resolved to boycott BJP in MP elections. The Morning Bell. Pakistani plotter of Pulwama among 9 killed. R.K. Singhajit receives Cultural Harmony Award from President. BJP's intention on CAV not good for people, Jugindro. SSA, RMSA teachers stay sitting at ZDO offices. Manipur Mail. President presents Tagore Awards to Singhajit. BJP alleges Congress behind CAV's chair. 4 soldiers martyred in Pulwama encounter.
Now before we wrap up the top stories once again. The headlines. Government will ensure supply of branded uniforms, belts and shoes to state security forces, says CM Biren. CM Mandarin acts swift after seeing exclusive news story of sightless mother son aired by Tom TV News. Treatment begins at Jennings. Veterinary Animal Husbandry Director appeals beneficiaries to avail of benefits under all central sponsored schemes. And SSA and Ramsar teachers lock ZEO offices over various demands. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.